Happy New Year and every year and you are well, healthy and safe. I hope that the year 2024 will be a year of goodness and peace for us and for you. In this video I will share with you a proven and effective recipe for coughs for children and adults, especially since we are living in a harsh cold and dry climate and our children go out to school early in the morning, especially when they get colds. Cough that gets worse at night. Of course, if you like the video, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel to receive all new updates, and share it with your friends to benefit everyone, and do not forget me with a motivating comment. Now let us begin preparing the first recipe. All we will need in this recipe are 3 oranges or mandarins, depending on what is available, and a bowl of water. We will put the oranges in the water and put them to cook over medium heat. When they boil and we feel that the oranges are cooked, we peel them and eat them while they are hot. In the meantime, we will prepare the second recipe, which is in the form of a syrup that you can give to your son whenever his cough becomes severe. For this recipe, we will need eucalyptus honey or any good quality bee honey, cumin, olive oil, and drops of lemon. In a bowl, we will squeeze the lemon to obtain drops of half a teaspoon. After that, we will take 2 tablespoons of olive oil and a pinch of cumin, which is equivalent to a teaspoon. Finally, we will need good quality honey for the success of this recipe, which is equivalent to a tablespoon. I have eucalyptus honey available, and we know very well its benefits on the respiratory system. One of the most prominent benefits of eucalyptus oil is that it helps improve breathing, especially in respiratory conditions, such as asthma and sinusitis. This is because it interacts with the mucous membranes, which in turn reduces mucus and cough. Original honey types share many specifications, including density, flammability, and ability to dissolve, so you will see that the tests will be based on these specifications. Here are the most important ways to tell original honey from adulterated ones. Thumb test. The thumb test is easy and simple, and is done by following the following steps. Put a small drop of honey on your thumb. Check to see if the honey leaks or spreads on your finger. Here is an explanation of the results. Adulterated. The honey leaks and spreads on the finger. Original. The honey remains intact and its composition does not change on the finger. Wash your hands well after completing the test. Water test. Here's how to perform a water test. Fill a cup with water. Add a tablespoon of honey to the cup. Here is an explanation of the results. Adulterated. Honey dissolving in water. Original. Dissolution does not occur at all, and the honey settles to the bottom of the cup. The water test is one of the quickest ways to distinguish between original and adulterated honey. If you want a video on the method, leave a comment and I will make a practical video to differentiate between original and adulterated honey. Now, after stirring the ingredients well, we will place the pot over a low heat for a minute to warm the mixture and drink it while it is warm to give a quick effect. At this time, bring the oranges to a boil. The important thing is that this recipe can be used in a larger quantity by doubling the ingredients and putting it in a flask and using it when needed after warming it. Of course, it is a wonderful and tested recipe. I hope you like it. Now I will share with you an important piece of information. If you forget to remove this area from the orange, it will not ripen well and you will have to return it to ripen again, as happened to me. Therefore, it is necessary to remove the head with a knife so that it cooks well. Look at the orange. It is not ripe because it was keeping its lid on. Water did not enter it. It is still solid. Now that I cut off the peel of the orange, I will cook it again to get a well-ripened orange. It is hot and burns the hands. Try to peel it while it is hot, because the secret to the success of any recipe is to eat it while it is hot. It is not easy to peel it while it is hot. I advise you to use a spoon to make it easier for you to peel it. The two recipes are used warm to obtain immediate results. I hope you benefited from this video and try the recipe because it is effective and can be used by children and adults. It is without side effects, 100% natural and tested. See you in a new video. I love you all.